can't stop eating it. It's I guess, one of my top 5 favorite fruits here in the Philippines. Sarap! Yum! Hello, this is RG of Astigvegan, and I am going to open this beautiful fruit in front of me. It's a dragon fruit, in case you haven't heard yet. It does look like a little bit of like I guess a dragon because of the skin, and I'm going to open it now. See, there's a technique here. You have to just cut the sides, and then cut this in half. What's not, oh, beautiful, look at that. And then you can just peel. And it will come fully nice. I don't think the juice can stain. And as vibrant as it looks, you may think that this is super sweet because it's like so vibrant like candy. I have learned that there are really good sweet ones if they are in season. You just cut them into small pieces. So this is also I got a sweet one. I'm very lucky. There are 2 varieties, there's a pink kind and there's a white one inside. I love the little seeds inside because it adds a little crunch. And it's sweet, like I would say like lip balm sweet. Like when you're having lip balm. Well, I don't know if the guys can relate, but when the lip balm really smells nice and sometimes you end up like tasting a little bit, it's that kind of sweetness, but a little sweeter than lip balm, especially if you got the really nice sweet kind like what I did. It's very refreshing, and it also has a lot of nutrients. There are also other uses for dragon fruit, like in milkshakes, smoothies. But in the Philippines, especially like during the dragon fruit season, it's really sweet. Not too sweet where it's like candy, but sweet enough that you will keep on eating. Well, I hope that you learned a little bit about this mysterious fruit, how to open it, where else you can use it. I hope that when you stumble upon one, that you try it. And if you have, let me know in the comment section. Or if you have not and you're curious about dragon fruit, if it seems very odd or eccentric to you, let me know as well what's your first impression. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.